Have you ever wondered what happens in the millisecond it takes for your WhatsApp message to go from your phone to your friends? Let's trace the journey of a WhatsApp message. WhatsApp is one of the world's most popular messaging apps. Understanding its underlying technology reveals a fascinating process focused on speed and, most importantly, security. At the core of this journey is end-to-end encryption. This means only you and the person you're communicating with can read what is sent, and nobody in between, not even WhatsApp. The first phase is all about the sender's device preparing the message for transmission. When you type your message and hit send, the app immediately starts working to secure your content. Before leaving your phone, your plain text message is instantly encrypted using a unique cryptographic key known only to you and the recipient. It turns into unreadable ciphertext. Once encrypted, the message must travel across the internet. This is where WhatsApp's server infrastructure comes into play. The encrypted data package first arrives at a WhatsApp server, acting as a post office. The server reads the message's header, identifying the recipient, and efficiently routes the message to the destination device or queues it if the recipient is offline. Crucially, because of end-to-end encryption, the server cannot access or read the actual content of your message, ensuring your privacy is maintained during transit. The final phase is the delivery, decryption, and confirmation to complete the message journey. The encrypted message is pushed from the server and received by the recipient's phone. Only now, on the recipient's device, is the message decrypted using their private cryptographic key, turning the unreadable ciphertext back into plain, readable text. The moment the message is decrypted and ready to view, the familiar double check marks appear on the sender's device, confirming successful delivery. This journey highlights WhatsApp's commitment to security and privacy. The end-to-end encryption protocol ensures that even if unauthorized parties intercept the message, they will only get unreadable code. The journey of a WhatsApp message is a testament to sophisticated engineering, making secure global communication seamless and instantaneous. It's a fast, simple three-step process: encryption on send, quick routing via the server, and decryption on receipt. This complex yet instant process is what makes WhatsApp such a reliable and trusted platform for communication worldwide.